Eva, draw wings. Hello little friends, Ava here. Shall we draw this beautiful baby unicorn with me today? Don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel. Let's go! Let's start our drawing of the baby unicorn by the line of her hair. We continue the line, drawing her left ear. We follow her face on the left side and draw her cute little paw. Very well! Now we go around her little body to her tail. We draw her tail step by step. Unicorns are known for their beauty and magic. They have a bright, multicolored coat, with pastel or vibrant tones. Yes, very good. Let's draw your right paw and your little face step by step. To finish the outline of the baby unicorn, we draw the line of her hair, passing through her little horn. In addition to their magical appearance, unicorns are known for their noble qualities. They represent purity, goodness, and strength. Unicorns are believed to possess healing powers. They are protectors of magical beings and nature. Yes, it was perfect. We'll draw the details of our cute little unicorn baby. We start by drawing your hairline. Now, we draw all your cute horn, step by step. Very good! We draw the line of his little face and his bow tied around his neck. It is getting very good. We contoured her little body and her little paws. Finally, we contour your eyes and your cute little mouth. That's great! Wow! We have finished all the outline of our cute baby unicorn. It was beautiful! If you are enjoying our drawing so far, subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the next drawings. That's great! Now shall we paint? I have already separated the 5 colors that we will use to paint our cute unicorn baby. To start our painting, we will use the color pink to paint your hair, your mouth, and all your tail, step by step very slowly. Unicorns have a mythical origin and are found in many cultures around the world. They are symbols of hope, dreams, and imagination. It is believed that only those with pure hearts and open minds can see and interact with these magical creatures. Yes, it was perfect. Now we will use the light blue color to paint a part of your little horn and all the ribbon of your beautiful neck. Very well. We use the color red to paint another part of his little horn. Very well. We use the color orange to paint another part of his little horn. That's good. Our baby unicorn is getting perfect. To finish our painting, we will use the yellow color to paint the entire tip of the small horn of our cute unicorn baby. That's great! Our baby drawing was beautiful. Wow! Our cute unicorn baby drawing is complete. Friends, the drawing of our beautiful baby unicorn magical and cute was wonderful. Drawing and painting with me was a really cool and fun way to learn about unicorns. Congratulations! The design was amazing. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Now you can leave a like in this video, and subscribe so you do not miss any new drawing. Every week we have new drawings here. A super Ava kiss and see you soon. Ava, draw wings.